In today's video, we are going to show you how to move your Mozilla Firefox profile to another folder or drive, which is useful if you are running out of space, backing up your data, or moving Firefox to a new computer. Let's begin. Now, open Firefox and go to the address bar and type in about profiles. Press enter. Now, what is a Firefox profile? Your Firefox profile stores all your important data like bookmarks, passwords, extensions, browsing history, and settings. Now, moving your profile means keeping all of that data intact while changing its location. Now, in this case, I am going to use my profile, which is going to be Answer ASAP. If you do, click the Open folder right here. And at this point, I want you to copy all these information to a new location before making any changes. And you want to make sure that Firefox is completely closed. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is go back to Profiles here. I am going to create a new folder. Let's say Firefox profile. And then I'm going to paste all the information that I have copied earlier from that specific profile. Now, I'm going to use all these information to create a new profile. Open Firefox again, type in again on the address bar about profiles, and then we are going to create a new profile. Okay, so click the next button. All right, in this case, I am going to rename it as this one. Now, we can simply choose the folder that we have created earlier. Okay, which is this profile. Select folder and click the finish button. It's super simple and super easy. Firefox should now open using your Move profile with all your data intact. And basically that's it for today's video on how to move your profile here in Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.